Do you want to be the top of your class and get outstanding grades, but you are never motivated to read? Or you find reading boring? Then stick around because I will be sharing with you some study tips and tricks to help you get better grades and stay organized. So let's begin. In today's video, we'll cover create a study schedule. Having a study schedule can help maximize your learning by enhancing your focus, reducing procrastination, and also giving you a balanced approach to studying. Create different time slots for studying each subject, and you can use tools like planners or digital calendars to keep track of your study schedule. And here's a trick. Focus on more challenging subjects like math or subjects you feel is difficult for you. And remember to stay consistent, because consistency in studying your books is the key to unlocking better grades. Break down study sessions. You don't need to be studying for long hours because it can get tiring and boring, therefore demotivating you from studying. Breaking down your study sessions into shorter intervals like 25 to 30 minutes helps maintain high levels of concentration and focus, whilst reducing mental fatigue. This method is derived from the Pomodoro technique, which focuses on using the brain for a short period of time in order to stay focused, followed by short breaks. Create a conducive study environment. Your study environment plays an important role in keeping you motivated to study. Choose a quiet, clean, and well-organized study space with minimal distractions for studying. You can decorate your study room to be aesthetically pleasing with proper lighting and a comfortable chair in order to make your studying more enjoyable. Also, you can try listening to soft instrumental music like lo-fi study music to help you focus better while studying. Use active learning techniques. Summarize what you've been taught or what you've learned in your own words and try teaching it to someone else. This method strengthens your understanding on that particular subject or topic, which would make it easy for you to remember in a test or an examination. You can also test yourself regularly on what you've learned by using flashcards, quizzes, or past papers to practice in order to strengthen your memory. Leverage study resources. Using apps like Quizlet, Anki, or Notion can help you organize notes and create flashcards for easy revision. Utilize online tutorials, educational videos, and study guides that are in accordance with your textbooks. Making use of all these apps I mentioned can improve your grades significantly. Join study groups. Joining study groups is another way to improve your grades significantly because you can get a better understanding of subjects you are bad at from other students who are good at it. Also, teaching others is a great way to strengthen the lessons you have learned, and having a study buddy can keep you motivated and responsible for your study goals. Stay organized. Keep your study space clean and organized. Also keep your notebooks, textbooks, and assignments neatly organized, and use folders or binders to separate your subjects. Keep a checklist of the subjects you need to study and monitor your progress to stay on top of your studies. Take care of your health and take breaks. Taking breaks during study time is essential, and so is resting for long hours. Adequate rest is essential for memory retention. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Also drink lots of water and eat meals that keep your energy levels up and your brain functioning at its very best. Here's an additional tip. Reward yourself. Feeling rewarded can encourage you to study more, which will raise your academic performance. You can reward yourself with games, snacks, beauty products, or cute decor items. We have come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and comment down your favorite study tips. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!